This is the moment you've all been waiting for. Let the music into your deepest veins, and let the moment overwhelm you. So stay tuned. Can you see the dirt on my terrace? This is how it looks. But I think it's looking fantastic outside. Everything is washed anew. The trees are looking magnificent. The birds. I see an eagle sitting right on that lamppost out there. The sound of morning. Isn't that wonderful? There's a cool breeze, and as you can see, it rained the whole night. I cannot even step outside right now because my terrace is completely wet and dirty because of the grime which fell from the roof onto the terrace floor. But nevertheless, it makes for a big, beautiful picture. So stay tuned and let's see what happens today. As human beings, we are continuing to evolve every single day. And though there are a lot of advances in medical science, in the scientific world, and in the world around us, in the environment, in the attitude, in the fashion, in the people, in the thinking, in the ideology, because our environment is what shapes us, and we shape the environment in turn. So therefore, I feel that we as human beings have the greatest power to transform. We will talk about transformation of the mind given the limitations. So I think being resourceful in today's world is a big plus. And I'm really thankful for the kind of upbringing and the kind of place that I grew up in. And gratitude is important. It rained the whole night, but the sun is shining really brightly right now. And the weather in February, let me tell you this, it is unprecedented. इतनी गर्मी तो कभी पड़ी नहीं. फरवरी के महीने में इस टाइप की गर्मी तो अप्रैल में आती थी पहले, And anyhow, so we'll have to make do with what we have and make the best of it. So keep watching and enjoy the show. Today is shaving day. So I'm back to my routine of applying Bedak Sejuk as a scrub. Winter has ended, I feel, I don't think that kind of cold will come back. And the last of the winter foods, which are those rich, unctuous meals, are still lingering on in the mind. You still want to have them. So traditionally in the month of February, by and large, January, February is when people eat a lot of sesame seeds, rich foods basically, nuts, a lot of clarified butter, ghee, and all that, because it is a belief system, and somehow it does work with the kind of weather. Food and weather really goes hand in hand. So because it is shaving day, so I'm going to scrub in. To this rice, slightly grainy rice mixture, I've only added water and a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. That will really slough off the tiniest of, what do you call it, impurity, for lack of a better word. We'll talk a little bit about literature, some art, some history, some philosophy, or just be silent and watch the views as we go along. And basically, life, fitness. By the way, I started my workout from day before, and I'm trying to edit those videos into a follow along kind of a video. Very basic exercises because I've been out of exercise mode for about a year now, or maybe more or less. And so the progress has to be steady. The lactic acid buildup has been great in my body right now. I can feel it. A lot of aches and pains. Even though I didn't do much, in terms of what I used to do. So I would recommend going slow and steady and consistent in terms of the workout. So I'm done with my scrubbing. I will let it dry and then I will shave. Should I show a shaving video? That's what people do. I think I will. Okay. And then we'll see how the day unfolds and I'll keep on adding them to my videos so that it becomes interesting. So, on and on. So I'm letting it dry and I'll try to step outside. Let's see. The weather seems spectacular. I'll just open this curtain. And like I said, the rain has really destroyed my terrace. As expected, I'll just turn the camera around and give you a glimpse. I don't want my videos to be, too contrived. I'm learning as I'm going along. So not too many gimmicks, but just raw and unfiltered the way you are. So this is me with the Chantek, not Chantek. This is me with the Bedak Sejuk. Rice powder, let's put it that way. It's drying off nicely. I'll slough it off and then I will shave and catch you and keep on showing you what I do for the rest of the day. I'll tell you a secret. I can shave without looking in the mirror. Commando style. So that's what I'll be doing while I'm chatting with you. Let me slough off. It's dried off pretty nicely. I'll just wash this. No fancy equipments while I'm shaving, just my trusted Gillette blade, which is truly overused and blunt right now. Let's start from here. Here I think it's easier. You know? Personal care has got nothing to do with obsession. I think skin is a barometer of our health, and your skin, your nails, your hair. Because I'm on this trip, thanks to Hodkins, on a renewed, with a new zest, so to speak. Absolutely determined, and also to share that journey with all of you so that people who are suffering any kind of illness can really benefit and find their own path into towards cure, towards wellness, towards well-being. So for me, it has always been exercise, yoga, drinking a lot of water, infused water. You can put anything in it from ajwain, caraway seeds. You can put chia seeds if you want. Jeera is very good, cumin. Fenugreek seeds is very good. Because these micro foods, they really do more good than harm. And why not ingest something which improves our health? So, looking good is not just about obsessive narcissism. Wait, let me finish shaving and then I'll talk to you. So, I just feel my way around. Luckily, I'm not so hirsute or hairy. One thing I'll pursue today is to be less offensive. So let's see where we go by the end of the day. Yes, I've been very, very conscious about the way I look, and there's a history behind it. It all stems back, way back, even before I was born, when my ancestors migrated to India from the Himalayan kingdom of Nepal. So my ancestors were from western Nepal, where the towering Himalayan peaks rise in all their glory. And some of them were bought by the Britishers as soldiers for their army. And later, of course, it became a trend which continues today all over the world, that they recruit people from the erstwhile kingdom of Nepal, boys, toughened boys and men, into their armed forces so that they can defend. Because we are known for our loyalty, for our courage, for our integrity, and for our simplicity and uncomplicated way of life. We are resilient and we are resourceful. So the story goes back then, and I'll continue with the story as we go along in the day. Minutes and 3 months. It'll transform your life, and I'm going to do that along with you. So stay tuned and see you in the next vlog.